Well, it's freezing today, the day that I'm making this video. Spring is coming, I promise. And with it, wedding season. What does that mean for those of us who work in family law? It's prenup season. I'm Catherine Miller. I've been working with divorcing and marrying people for over 30 years. And I've worked with so many people in trying to figure out their prenuptial agreement, whether or not they need one, what it's all about, and how to get it done in the nicest way possible. So what is a prenup? A prenup deals with the end of a marriage, and make no mistake that all marriages come to an end, whether by death or divorce. And you definitely need to think about that because that's what the negotiation around the prenuptial agreement is going to be. But let me ask you this today. Why are you getting married? I think it really makes a lot of sense for people to think about the marriage and what they're trying to accomplish before they get married, before they're thinking about the color of the flowers or who's going to be on the guest list, hoping that we will have guests at the weddings this year. So think about what you're trying to accomplish and think about what would be strengthening to that. How are you going to handle expenses and cash flow, and will you have a joint account or not? And who's going to contribute how much and all of that? And then what kind of partnership do you really want to develop? Is it going to be a financial partnership, a romantic partnership, a parenting partnership, or all three? And what do those pieces, how do those pieces fit together? This is really a very important thing to think about. And then you really need to think about how you're going to have the conversations about that. Are you going to do it in a supported, mediated way, or people sit together in the room and talk about what's really important? Are you going to lawyer up, as they sometimes say on television? In any event, there are a couple of things I want you to do if you're thinking about getting married and you're interested in a prenup at all. One is call us. Even if you're thinking about it and are wondering how to broach the topic, we can really help you with that. And two, we put together a checklist of things that people need to do and things to think through and talk about in the prenup process. And if you're interested, give us your information in the contact box below and we'll send it over. Anyway, thanks for listening and good luck with your wedding.